How dare the defense try and dismiss my case? Hi, I'm Gerald Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and that's a statement that I've heard before when a client is told that the defense is trying to get your case dismissed. In today's video tip, I want to explain to you what is a motion for summary judgment. A motion for summary judgment is when the defense tries to get your case dismissed and thrown out. Here's what you need to know in order to understand the process. The attorney who represents the people that you have sued will do everything within their legal power to try and get your case thrown out every step of the way. And they will do that on legal technical grounds. And that's known as a motion for summary judgment. A motion is a request to the court on papers asking for formally get your case thrown out for the following reasons. And then likewise, we as your attorneys have to then put in reply papers explaining why you have a valid and meritorious case. They will say, hey, you have not proven, you don't have enough evidence to prove that you are more likely right than wrong, that what you are claiming is true. The defense has to support their claim with case law and with any experts in support of getting your case dismissed. We as your attorneys turn around and do the same thing. We have to reply to those claims, and we have to support our position with case law as well as with our own experts who are now basically telling the judge they're wrong. The court now has competing experts from both sides. One expert says we're right, another expert says we're wrong. When it's a question of fact, that means that the case will go to trial and a jury will ultimately decide whether you are right or wrong. If the defense loses their request to throw out your case during the course of discovery or when your discovery is completed, I guarantee you they will try again at trial. And when does that happen? It happens after you have rested your case, after you have put on all of your witnesses, all of your proof, all of your testimony, and now your attorney stands up there and says, Your Honor, the plaintiff rests. Well, the first thing that happens is the defense gets up and they say, Your Honor, we are asking that the plaintiff's case be thrown out. We're making a motion for summary judgment. Now the judge has to make a decision. Is there sufficient proof to let the case go to the jury? Or is there insufficient evidence that will allow a jury to make an educated decision about who's right and who's wrong? And that's it for today's video tip about what is a motion for summary judgment. Now, if you found this information helpful, what I want you to do if you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube is click the button below that says like. This way, all of your friends who follow you on Facebook will get the benefit of learning this information as well. And if you have questions, then I want you to pick up the phone and call me. Why? Because I can answer your legal questions. I do this every day for a living. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.